Hey guys, it's Mike here. Um, it's still September 1st. I've made a couple of videos today actually. Most of them pertained to this here water heater system I've been working on, which actually is, I don't know whether that's smoke or steam. But that's, if it is smoke, it's the first smoke I've had today. Anyway, that gave me another idea because I got looking around the back of my shop here and whatever, and then I saw a ladder, and I thought, well, I should climb that ladder and see, being as it looked very safe, if there was something interesting at the top. And so what I thought I would show you up here is this unit. Now, I have seen people do videos on things like putting fans on wood-fired units, wood stoves and whatever, to try to basically turbocharge it. Now, this is my experience here. I've tried blowing air into wood stoves and different things like that, and what I found was this. And this is actually the fan, the exhaust fan off of an old gas hot water heater. So what I've done, if I can get in here well on the ladder, is I've taken this unit here that would normally kind of sit with vent holes around it on top of the hot water heater, and I've sealed it all off, and I've welded in a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe for a car onto there, and then I've opened up this box, and I've taken out all the switches and stuff. It's just on a plug now, and this is a regular little AC motor, induction motor, and here is the squirrel cage fan, and then that basically sucks up my smoke and blows it out the top. Now, the nice part is, I don't necessarily like that it's out in the weather, although it's kind of, if you can see, it's kind of protected a little bit here. But having everything inside the shop under negative pressure, the bonus is that you don't get all the smoke. When I used to try to put blower fans and whatever different things, I was getting all of these puffs of smoke and whatever unforeseen things. This unit here, if you're looking to do something like this, like I basically had a piece of metal that was already folded and I welded this on. I have a little 110 MIG welder, which is nice for doing stupid thin metal projects like this. The only problem I've ever had with this thing is every so often, if I'm experimenting with a burner of some sort and I get a really dirty smoke, creosote type thing, the fan will plug up a little bit in here because it is a squirrel cage fan. If you find these, I have some that have plastic involved. This one didn't have any. The motor's out here. There's a fan here to keep the motor cool. So that means that this fan with its metal blades and set screws gets hot, but the motor hopefully stays nice and cool. So needless to say, the best thing I've come up with so far is to put everything in my shop under negative pressure, and by doing that, I keep the smoke from being an issue. Anywhere there's a small hole, it actually draws in air instead of being under pressure and blowing out smoke. The only issue that you do come up with sometimes, if you do have a bit of a dirty burn, is you'll get a secondary burn on occasion. And in that case, usually what I do is I keep longer pieces of pipe in my shop, like I'll pull it across the roof or the ceiling of my shop, so I can pull more heat off. Anyway, I had seen some videos of different guys wanting to pressurize to make indoor burning units, and this is my recommendation. It's worked quite well. All built basically with garbage, because that's how I build. This is all 2.5-inch. I always figure if somebody has a problem with it, I'll tell them it's for exhausting cars while I'm working in my shop. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. If you want any other information, send me a message and I will see what I can come up with. Thanks. Talk to you guys later.